everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing this product right here, but let's kind of get right into this. So this is hair extensions. Let me go ahead and show you what it looks like. This is a little different from things that I've actually reviewed on my channel before, so I'm really excited to try it out. But this is what the hair weft looks like. And these are kind of like a beaded, it's like a single strand weft. And it comes with a user manual that'll show you how to do it. It comes with the beads that you'll need, the hair clips, and then this is the little tool that you're going to use to pull out the hair. I don't know if you've ever seen people that get the caps done, like when they bleach their hair. That's kind of like what this is like. This is the only blonde that they had. They don't have like a lot of colors to actually choose from. Let me go ahead and show you what the weft looks like. So that's how much hair it comes with. It's actually a lot, and then you'll just cut these into the sizing that you need. But let me go ahead and show you what it looks like with putting it on and with them on. Okay, so you're gonna create a part like that, and then I'm going to figure out how long I want it. So I want it about right here, so I'm gonna have to cut this right here. Now I'm just going to kind of line it up and then clip this, just like that. Then you're going to pull this through like this. You're gonna grab this, pull some hair through. So as you can see, you're just going to put this at the crease and then put this bead on, clamp it on, and then you'll do that on every single one. So this is what it looks like once everything is pulled through. You see it blends really well. Let me go ahead and take it down. And you can add a couple more layers to this, and it's just going to give her some natural highlights. Can you go give me the brush, Julie? Okay, so this is what they look like. You can see, put some blonde highlights throughout her hair. What do you think? You like it?
I like them.
So pretty. And I did a couple more, like I just cut them smaller and put it throughout her hair at the bottom and stuff, just to make it a little more. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.